Okay, today we're trying a new type of pasta. It's roast cooked in a can of cream and mushroom soup, and then also a thing of water, a packet of like the ranch seasoning. What else is in it?
Worcestershire sauce, tablespoon of garlic, salt, pepper, and a lot of chives.
Oh, cream cheese, a block of cream cheese.
Yeah. And heavy whipping cream.
And heavy whipping cream. We're going to try it. And it also has pepper jack cheese on top with like the crunchy onions. It's going to be fire. Mm-hmm. 10 out of 10. It looks not very good, but it's fire. Super good. I got this nice sunburn today. It already hurts and it itches. But, yeah. The onions are a good topping. Gives it a crunch and some other flavor. Mm-hmm. Probably could have added more cheese. Definitely try this, it's good. And it's pretty easy.